All right, this is my trading journal and recap for the past week, which was March 15th to March 19th. Let's take a look at the plays. I started off with an AMC play again. This is pretty cool. Everyone who's a beginner who's watching this, we saw that pump coming in. At I got in early around 6:30. It's important that you get a good position in and don't FOMO in. If the position already went, past our goal, usually, I'm gonna start sending out alerts when this happens. As you see, it came down a little bit. I was and always just you have to have a stop loss. Um, I'll show you what I mean when I reach my SPY loss because I did lose, and I'm gonna be very transparent. Here you can see the position is going in my favor, and it's blasting off. Position is good. 5 contracts, right? Um, and $105 in profit, but I still held a little longer because it was just doing very well. At 150, I was gonna take profits here, but I just waited a little more. It's better not to get greedy, and especially in the beginning when you're starting. But I did end up with 170 in this amount of time. That's pretty good, right? It's like a full day's work for an average person. Awesome. So that was Monday. My next play was on Tuesday, the Starbucks play. The Starbucks play when a small play as well. Um, we saw the uptrend pre-market as well. Like I said, I'm gonna start sending out alerts. I'm probably gonna set up an alert um, subscription, but it's gonna be very affordable. I mean, one of these places will pay for 2 or 3 months of your subscription. So very cool. So then here it starts rising, right? And we see a nice. This is what we want to see: green candles and a big pump. So I decided I'm gonna take profit around here. Awesome, right? 5 contracts. So start getting for all the newcomers. This means 5 contracts, right? At 55 cents. Each contract is 100 shares, and it cost me a total of 275 to get into. Just do the math there, and it'll make sense. Uh, just time this times 100 and then 5, and my total is 130 right there. Awesome profit, and it just kept rising. I was very happy. There's no need to get greedy. Control your fear and greed um, emotions, please. Awesome. After that, I did a SPY loss. Kept trading. I shouldn't have. It's very important just to stop trading. I think I did calls or puts and I got wrecked. So I got wrecked by this. I think I didn't record. I didn't finish taking a screenshot. I was just wrecked. I think a little more. I gave back some of the gains from one of my. I think it was the Starbucks. But it happens. This is what makes you a better trader, right? You gotta be in control. Stop trading. I was already done with the day, and now I came back at around 9. You only do come back if there's huge news or something. But those are very hard to catch, and I won't. I will do my best to alert if I do alerts in the future. So I got wrecked right there, but I recovered on Friday. Let's see. My SPY puts on Friday were amazing. I didn't have time because I have to move really fast between platforms. I have eTrader, Robinhood, and Webull, and I'm opening another one, like Tastyworks maybe. I'm not sure, but I'm opening another one soon, so I don't get wrecked so much because of the day trades. And but here, I did take this quick screenshot. I made my losses, and I made the whole week. I nearly paid my rent. But this is a very good example for someone that's new because this one contract cost me $92 to get in. And so you see how I was at it was puts on Friday right at the morning. We saw a downtrend, right? It's here $70. At 6:41 a.m. $89 per contract. So multiply this times 5. I had like 5 or 10 on another platform. That was some awesome profit. So I ended up the week, perfectly. It's just very important to small positions. Don't over leverage yourself. Control your emotions. And this is what I'm here for, man. This is what I love the game. Just consistent wins. You are gonna have losses, but it's more important that you control your budget and have more wins than losses. And also in the world of crypto, I am doing some awesome hex. I'm doing hex right now, hex crypto by Richard Hart. So I put in $1,000 actually. I hadn't staked it because you stake. This acts like a CD, a certified deposit. Uh, you just look that up what a CD is and you understand how it kind of works. But it's more awesome than that. It's way more better than the traditional ones. So I put in $1,000. I bought it without staking. Now it's up. Then I staked it, and I think I staked it at it was already 1,100 because Hex had gone up. I was getting paid interest on my first or second day here of $68. Then I staked the 812. Well, I staked this one for 5 years, and this one's only all the way to July. So here I'm already getting an awesome interest right here. This was just too new to gain interest. My money's already increasing there. I always think of the long term. Look at this, awesome, awesome fucking gains here. This went down. It looks like Hex went down, but I'm still in profit overall because my original investment was like 1,000 here. And then my final profit today, interest paid 419. I'm still down here, but up here in the 5 year long term, like I said, 1,000. So I'm still in profit. And I think that's it. Next week we're looking at SPY puts. Uh, we are thinking the crash is coming. I'm not sure. I wish I could have the alerts and the subscription up, but I don't. And crypto's also looking a little weak. But I don't think nobody knows. Anybody who says they know what's going to happen, unless they're very professional, which some of my team members are, um, uh, it's very hard to predict this stuff. You just got to be in the moment. That's why it's momentum trading. This is what we do. This is what we live for, and it's awesome. And then just takes an hour of your day, and the rest of the day's yours. So yeah, anybody watching it, if this is just my trading journal, not financial advice, but anybody watching this, I hope you get some inspiration to start. This is the reality of trading, right? You see all these other guys posting, Lambos and all that BS, but this is the reality for us, the beginner traders, and maybe yeah, we'll reach that level, but it takes discipline. Wonderful week, guys. This is the recap, and look forward to anybody anybody's comments. Hit the like if you do, and subscribe if you will find this.